At High Tide, we take a very EBITDA-focused approach in managing our business lines. In my opinion, you can amass all the revenue you want, but if the company does not turn a profit, well, then that revenue is really meaningless. Due to the competitive nature of the Canadian cannabis retail business, it offers a lower margin profile. So, we've been on the hunt for targets that are not only very good fit in our retail-focused ecosystem, but also generate substantially higher gross margins when compared to bricks and mortar, because that in turn equates to a healthier bottom line. This is why we purchased GrassCity.com in December of 2018, and that business has tripled since then. Smoke Cartel has also experienced a very similar growth trajectory to Grass City. And then from the learnings we got from Grass City, we launched CBD City in May of 2020 organically, and that platform continues to provide us with many valuable insights, which then led us to further identify targets that are not only going to strengthen our e-commerce platforms, but also increase our consolidated gross margin profile. Fab CBD checks all the boxes in that regard. It's US-based e-commerce platform in line with our retail-focused strategy. So in that context, I could not be more happier to have Fab as a part of the High Tide family of brands. I know many of our shareholders are waiting to get an update regarding our NASDAQ listing. So our application has been progressing well. As many of you know, we filed our Form 40F with the SEC about a month and a half ago, and NASDAQ continues to evaluate our application. So we're waiting for final comments or the verdict back from NASDAQ sometime in the near future. And as soon as we hear back from NASDAQ, we'll surely let the market know. So the current lockdown in Ontario is having an impact on the velocity of sales in that province due to severe restrictions placed around retail operations. We saw this exact same thing in the previous two lockdowns, where the sales took a little bit of a dip and then they almost bounced back immediately after the restrictions were lifted. We've also been feeling the pinch on our wholesale business because of supply chain and production issues, although our products remain in very high demand. So I'm hopeful towards the end of the year, the supply chain gets a little better and product availability gets better so we can get back to normal in our wholesale business. The good news here is that we have a well-diversified business portfolio, which includes e-commerce platforms that continue to perform higher than our expectations. I'm very excited about implementing our proprietary and licensable dropshipping technology beyond the Smoke Cartel platform. As an example, Smoke Cartel runs on almost zero inventory, yet offers our customers with over 15,000 SKUs. So a tremendous amount of upside remains to be captured on both Grass City and CBD City by implementing this technology. We ran a pilot on Grass City with a handful of SKUs, and the results were very promising. So this is a priority for us, as we see this as low-hanging fruit to further optimize and strengthen our e-commerce platforms. On the licensing front, we have been able to successfully license this technology to another cannabis company, and we're actively looking to partner up with even more companies in this regard. To end this video, I want to extend my sincere thanks to all our shareholders that have supported us over the last couple of years and continue to believe in our vision and strategy. We have a dedicated team at High Tide that is serious about growing our business responsibly and building one of the strongest companies for years to come. And we will continue to execute on our strategic vision and goals on behalf of all stakeholders. Thank you.